Pete Snakebite Kit. Thanks for coming by and checking out my YouTube channel again. What are we talking about today? Well, we're going to be swapping out the tires. We're taking off those bias-ply Hoosier tires, and we're putting on a set of Mickey Thompson Radials. And a couple of reasons. The Mickeys are a very sticky tire, which we like, of course, but they're radials versus a bias-ply. And honestly, those bias-plies, they weren't horrible, but they were kind of a handful on those uneven streets, those rain grooves, weird stuff in the street. It would take the car the way it wanted to go, and then you had to get the car pointed back where you wanted it. It's kind of irritating. All right, what are we doing here? We're taking off some Hoosiers. The Hoosier, as you can see, is a 275/60/15. Putting on a set of Mickey Thompson ET Street Drag Radials. And what do we got here? It's a 295/55/15. The front, what we're taking off, is a 245/60/15. And the drag radial, a 255/60/15. A little bit more tire. We're going to see how that works out. Sure, it's going to be too loud for you to hear what I'm saying, but look at how much effort I'm putting into steering. I'm going to intentionally go over some streets that are really kind of crappy, and I've got some grooves in it that like to steer the car. We'll see how it works. So for me, these radials work a lot better than the bias-ply tires, but maybe not for everybody. My friend Bobby's car, I think he's on his third set of billboards, which are very similar to the Hoosiers. I've been in his car, and it seems to ride pretty well. He doesn't seem to be hunting all over the road for that, and he really likes them. So everybody's got a different take on this.